Hello everyone and welcome to PC Tips Pro. Is your computer feeling slow or running out of space? Then in today's video, I'll show you how to use disk cleanup on your Windows PC. The easiest way to clear junk files and speed things up in minutes. So firstly, what is disk cleanup? It is a built-in Windows tool that helps remove temporary files, system files, thumbnails, and other unnecessary data. It's fast, safe, and doesn't delete anything important. So to get started, firstly you would need to head over to your search bar and then just search for disk cleanup. Then just open this app, and here as you can see a small window will pop up asking you to select a drive. Usually choose the C drive, that's where Windows stores most of its file. So just click on OK. Now you'll see a list of file types. So tick the boxes next to the ones you want to delete. I recommend selecting temporary internet files, recycle bin, thumbnails, and delivery optimization files. You do not need to worry at all as these won't affect your personal files. So once you're done selecting it, just click on OK. And then click on delete files. It will start the deleting process and it's done. Now if you want a deeper cleanup, then just click on the cleanup system files. This will rescan and show more items like Windows Update Cleanup, which can save you a few extra GBs. Now from here, once you've selected everything, just click on OK and then click on delete files. This will begin the cleaning process. And well, that's it. Disk cleanup will remove all the junk and free up space on your PC. And now if you want to keep your PC clean without lifting a finger, then you can schedule disk cleanup using Task Scheduler for automatic cleanups weekly or monthly. And for that, just go to the search bar again and search for Task Scheduler. Then just open the app. And from here, if you click on the Create Basic Task, from here just give your task a name and the description, and then just click on Next to create a scheduler for disk cleanup. And well, there you go. Your PC should feel a bit faster and lighter now. So if this video helped you out, hit that like button and please do not forget to subscribe to PC Tips Pro for more useful tech tips. And if you have any queries regarding this video, do make sure to put them in the comments box below. Thank you and have a nice day.